So in order to mark room location, we have to know the direction of this plot. For the proper plot direction, we have to make a site visit to the plot location, and with the help of a compass, we can measure the inclination of north direction from the front direction of the house. Inclination for this plot comes out to be 60 degrees from the front line. Instead of a compass, you can also use mobile to measure the inclination through compass app. Move the phone in the north direction and tap to start measuring the angle. Move it to the front direction of the house. This also gives us 60-degree angle. There is also a third rough method to measure the inclination through Google Maps. Locate the exact position of the plot on the map. Through this compass icon indicating north gives us a rough direction of this plot. Use this method only when the client has no idea about the direction of the plot, as well as you are not able to visit to the site due to some constraints. Now once we have the direction data of the plot, we can start locating the room locations. The first step is to place the compass in the central position of the house. To do so, move this simple compass figure with the help of Move Tool Command M. Pick its central point and place it to the center of the rectangle with the help of the Geometric Center Snap Point Tracking option. As we know from the compass result, the north is inclined to 60 degrees from the front side. To rotate it, select the direction line and activate the Rotate tool through RO command. It is asking for the base point around which we want to rotate it. Provide the central point. Provide a value of 60 degrees and press Enter.